Squeaky floors that only pop off in certain spots are telling you something is up with your subfloor or joists, and catching that early can save you a ton of hassle. So, first off, walk around and pinpoint exactly where the squeaks are loudest. Usually it's where the floorboards are loose or rubbing against the joists. Grab a flashlight and get down on your knees to peek underneath if you can. Look for nails that have popped up or spots where the wood looks worn or cracked. If you find any nails sticking out, hammer them back in or swap them for screws, which hold way better over time. Sometimes adding shims between the joists and subfloor can tighten things up if there's a gap causing the noise. Don't forget to check if any sections of the subfloor have water damage or rot, because that can cause movement too. If you're not comfortable crawling under your house or in a tight crawl space, it might be worth calling a pro to inspect for structural stuff that's harder to spot. Another quick fix is sprinkling talcum powder or powdered graphite between the floorboards to reduce friction, but that's more of a temporary hack than a real solution. Keeping your home at a stable humidity level helps prevent wood from expanding and contracting, which can make squeaks worse over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with squeaky floors is ignoring localized issues because they think it is just normal creaking. It usually means something's wrong with the subfloor or joists that will only get worse. Another common problem is using nails when screws would actually do a better job holding floorboards tight to joists. So switching to screws can fix squeaks for good. Lastly, skipping the inspection for water damage or rot under the floor means you might miss a bigger repair down the road. Catching moisture problems early can save thousands of dollars in structural fixes later. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know what they're doing with floors and other home repairs, making it way easier to get the job done right. For contractors, it's a smart way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business without stressing about marketing.